Have you noticed the buzz around the Dr. Casey Means pink salt trick that's going viral across social media? Claims are popping up everywhere, people saying they dropped 53 pounds in just 2 weeks, or burned over 3 pounds of fat in a single day, all thanks to a simple kitchen recipe involving pink salt. At first glance, it seems like the miracle everyone's been waiting for, but is this pink salt trick truly effective, or is it just another cleverly marketed scam? Let's break it down. Dr. Casey Means is a real person. She's a Stanford-educated medical doctor, a co-founder of the wellness brand Levels, and a strong voice in the field of functional medicine. She's made it very clear that she has nothing to do with these pink salt ads. In fact, many of the videos online showing her endorsing this weight loss trick are actually AI-generated deepfakes. She's issued direct warnings on her own website, stating these ads misuse her name and likeness without permission. So what is this so-called pink salt trick? The core recipe is quite basic, just Himalayan pink salt, lemon juice, and warm water. Sometimes honey or ginger is added for flavor. While a few users online say it helps with hydration or curbs cravings when used as a morning drink, the real problem lies in how this trend is being marketed. Scammers have hijacked the idea and use it to promote overpriced and unproven supplements like Burn Jarrow and Lean Drops. These products are often linked through misleading websites, false promises, and fake celebrity or medical endorsements. Let's talk about the red flags. First, the endorsements. The use of AI-generated videos that mimic Dr. Casey Means is deeply deceptive. She has never promoted this trend, and these are entirely fake. Second, the outrageous promises. Claims of losing 50 pounds in 2 weeks or burning 3 pounds of fat in a day are not just unrealistic, they're dangerous and unverified. Lastly, the hidden catch. Many users report being funneled into purchasing supplements through aggressive marketing and landing pages that make it difficult to get clear information. In conclusion, the Dr. Casey Means pink salt trick might offer a small hydration boost, but the bold marketing, fake endorsements, and scammy supplement sales make it a major red flag. Always research before trusting a viral trend, especially when the original doctor wants nothing to do with it.